Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. We are in Microsoft Excel and I'm going to show you how to use the rank or the position formula. So let us jump in. This is my data that I would like to rank or put into position from 1 down to the last row. And what we're going to do is we're going to start in here and we're going to begin our formula with the equal sign and we're going to type in rank. All right, we're going to now open brackets so we can begin our data caption. So we have now selected the first bit of data that we like, and you are going to now use this icon, and then you are going to click down on your first bit of data and you are going to select the range that you would like to work with. Okay, once you have selected this range, you're going to go ahead and you are going to close those brackets. Now what will happen is you will hit enter and it will give you a randomized number. Now this doesn't necessarily mean that this is the correct way. So what we need to still do is we need to put our cursor on the bottom right of the cell and we need to drag down and follow our formula through. Now as you can see, there are still random numbers and this is still not correct. What we then need to do is we need to double click on that original cell that we created the formula in. Now, as you can see, this is what our formula looks like. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and we are going to put dollar signs or dollar symbols just before our column and our row. So before the E and then before the 5. And then we're going to do it here as well. We're going to put it before the E and we're going to put it before the 5 as well. Okay, so once that is done, right, you're going to hold your cursor and take it all the way to the end. And now we're going to push enter. Now what you will see here is your ranking starting to happen. So what we're going to do is we are going to tap down again on the bottom right hand side of the cell. You're going to see this icon. You're going to click down and drag to continue your formula all the way down. Now you will see that this is ranked from highest to lowest. So this being the highest number, and then this being the second highest number, and this being the third, and so forth. So now you can see that this is now in the rank or position that it should be. If this was a helpful guide, drop us a big old thumbs up. We'll see you next time. Cheers.